Inspired by the space exploration. Space Flame. Full aluminum body. Wherever you go, Analogg follows and sparkle. Just a cool looking guy? Nope. Analogg supports Qmk&Via. You could customize and redefine every single key, according to your personal preference. Improves your work efficiency. Customizable backlight for every kind of mood. Supports 5 major OS. Max 8 device connection capacity at the same time. And switch smoothly. Gasket structure improves typing experience into a new level of typing. Plug in with Type-C cable to ultimate your gaming experience.